Good morning, everyone. My name is Kiriti. Today, we will be learning about nitrogen cycle. First of all, let's start from the basic. Nitrogen gas makes up 78% of our atmosphere, and nitrogen is also a part of many molecules essential to life like proteins, nucleic acids like DNA, which stands for deoxyribonucleic acid, and RNA, which stands for ribonucleic acid, and some vitamins. We will be getting to know about history of nitrogen, nitrogen fixing bacteria, nitrates and nitrites, nitrification, denitrification, nitrogen fixation, ammonification, and last but not least, nitrogen cycle. History of nitrogen. Nitrogen was first discovered in 1772 by a Scottish physician, Daniel Rutherford. Daniel Rutherford removed oxygen and carbon dioxide from air, demonstrating that the residual gas would not support living organisms. To get to know about nitrogen cycle, we must first know about nitrogen fixation, ammonification, nitrification, and denitrification. First, let us know what nitrates are. A nitrate is a chemical that includes nitrogen and oxygen, often used in fertilizers. A nitrate is an anion, which stands for NO3 1 A nitrate is made up of three oxygen atoms and one nitrogen atom. Now, let us know what nitrites are. A nitrite is a chemical that includes nitrogen and oxygen, often used in food preservatives. A nitrite is an anion, which stands for NO2 1 A nitrite is made up of one nitrogen atom and two oxygen atoms. Now, let us know about nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixation is the process of converting N2 into biologically available nitrogen. Nitrogen fixation is carried out by the following ways. By lightning. When lightning occurs, the high temperature and pressure convert nitrogen and water into nitrates and nitrites, which get dissolved in water and are readily used by aquatic plants and animals. By nitrogen fixing bacteria. Nitrogen fixing bacteria are prokaryotic microorganisms that are capable of transforming nitrogen gas from the atmosphere into fixed nitrogen compounds such as ammonia that are usable by the plants. These nitrogen fixing bacteria may be free living or be associated with some species of dicot plants. Most commonly, the nitrogen fixing bacteria are found in the roots of legumes. Free living bacteria are non-symbiotic. Examples are blue-green algae and nostoc or star jelly. Associated bacteria are symbiotic. Examples are Rhizobium, Actinobacteria or Frankia. Now, let's learn about nitrification. Nitrification is the process that converts ammonia to nitrites and then nitrites to nitrates. Denitrification. Denitrification is the process that converts nitrates to nitrogen gas. Ammonification. When an organism excretes waste or dies, the nitrogen in its tissues is in the form of organic nitrogen. Example DNA. Various fungi and prokaryotes then decompose the tissue and release inorganic nitrogen back into the ecosystem as ammonia in the process known as ammonification. Nitrogen cycle. The sequence in which nitrogen passes from the atmosphere to the soil and organisms and then is eventually released back into the atmosphere is called nitrogen cycle. The nitrogen cycle contains several steps such as nitrogen fixation, ammonification, nitrification, and denitrification. This cycle is essential in maintaining a proper ecological balance and is present in both marine and terrestrial ecosystem.